Today, let's go fast for cheap, because each and every one of these cars is quick out of the box. But with the right mods, these can be cheap supercar slayers. I'm Brad, this is Ideal, please like and subscribe, and let's go! Dodge Challenger, but hold up. And real quick, there's nothing like a little Huracan Performante V10 in the morning. Okay, if you've ever imagined yourself turning heads in a jaw-dropping supercar, you are in the right place. Sign up for the Ideal Collective. Right now, it is completely free, and I've linked to it in the pinned first comment down below. And just by signing up, you'll be the first to know about the first Ideal car giveaway ever. Spots are limited, so sign up today. Again, it's in the pinned first comment, and now, back to the show. Okay, let's kick this off with a fan favorite. It's the bad boy from Detroit, with the personality that's more sinister than it looks. We're talking about the Dodge Challenger RT. This roaring masterpiece of American muscle is fitted with a 5.7-liter Hemi V8 that cranks out an earth-shaking 372 horsepower. Floor the go pedal and hold on tight, because the Challenger RT sprints from 0 to 60 in just 5.5 seconds. Find one with the optional track pack and a 6-speed manual, and you get a bump up in horsepower and torque. Plus, you get to row your own gears. But don't let speed fool you. This Challenger is as much about grace and style as it is about raw power. With its retro-inspired design that pays homage to its legendary predecessors, the RT is more than just a car. It is a statement. And you want to know the best part? Well, the Challenger delivers all this high-octane excitement without emptying your wallet. And with a passionate community of enthusiasts and accessible parts, maintaining this muscle car is a breeze. Toss on some mods and you have a baby Hellcat for a fraction of the price. Yeah, grab one for under $9. And as usual, I've linked to all these Ideal rides via Auto Tempest down below, so go check them out. Locost. Okay guys, the Locost is a fascinating concept in the automotive world, especially for cars enthusiasts who love built, not bought cars. The Locost, which is short for low cost, is a DIY car that enthusiasts can build using readily available parts, often from a donor vehicle like a Ford Escort. Now the design is inspired by the Lotus 7, which is a sexy car, and the result is a pure, unfiltered driving experience. Shove a high-powered 4-cylinder engine in there, and given the low weight, you regularly see them hit 60 in under 4 seconds. Plus, when you can build it for under $5,000, what's not to like? Well, if you're liking this video so far, please hit the like button. It helps us out a ton. Because this is supercar slaying performance for under 5 stacks. And that is pretty insane. BMW 335i. The N54 and N55 are considered the German 2JZ because they can handle a ton of power. And in my humble opinion, I consider the 335i a German muscle car because it has a ton of muscle in a kinda unassuming package, especially if left looking stock. And completely unmodified, you're looking at 0 to 60 in under 5. But thanks to that twin turbo power, or twin power turbo, all you gotta do is toss on this JB4 piggyback tuner and you're gonna be looking at over 400 horsepower for less than $500. And now you're looking at a 0 to 60 time closer to 4 seconds flat. These motors take mods extremely well. And they also look awesome with some fresh wheels. Oh, and a 6-speed manual is the ideal option. Here's a clean slate to get started on with all your Ideal mods for under 10. Chevy Impala SS. Come on, what's not to like about a Corvette motor in a sleeper sedan? The Chevrolet Impala SS is a timeless legend, marrying history with modern technology. This icon, whose SS insignia evokes the thrill of super stock drag racing, has earned its reputation for speed and style since the 1960s. With a roaring 5.7-liter LT1 engine producing 260 horsepower as standard, the Impala SS performance still pays homage to its ancestors, running a quarter mile in 15 seconds flat at 92 miles per hour. It's a stoplight hero that actually stops and handles pretty well too, without compromising comfort. Every single one of them came exclusively in monochrome black, with tasteful exterior design and leather-clad interior. The Impala SS carries this air of sophistication, and they're pretty much bulletproof. That's why you see the police department putting on hundreds of thousands of hard miles on these tanks. Mods are DIY friendly and affordable, so pick up a supercharger kit and blow the doors off some unassuming sports cars with this Impala SS for $9,500. Ford Mustang Cobra, 1999 and 2001. Okay, if you want a thrill ride, the Cobra is your ideal pick. The 1999 and 2001 Mustang Cobra is a piece of automotive history that's just not iconic, but unbelievably affordable. Equipped with the 4.6-liter dual overhead cam modular V8, pumping out a pulse-pounding 320 horsepower with an asterisk, and I'll get to that in just a sec. 0 to 60 is in a rather quick 5.6 seconds, and you feel your heart race when the Cobra leaps forward, devouring the road with a power and grace that few cars can match. And it sounds so freaking good doing it. But the Cobra's not just about raw speed, it's about heritage, style. Its sleek lines and aggressive stance are timeless, promising a ride that turns heads without even trying. Worried about maintenance? Well, the 99 and 01 Cobras have a robust community of enthusiasts, ready to support your journey into the world of true muscle. Don't just drive, experience the road like never before. Whether you're a collector or a weekend warrior or just someone seeking pure driving pleasure without breaking the bank, the 1999 or 2001 Mustang Cobra is the car for you. Now, very quick note. Did you know that Ford advertised the 1990 Cobra as having 320 horsepower with an asterisk? Well, it actually had way less, prompting an actual investigation by the Florida Attorney General. So what did Ford do? Well, they stopped selling them and didn't do a 2000 model. Then they came back with a 2001 model that feels way healthier than the 320 horsepower advertised. So get a 2001 if you can. Next, C5 Chevrolet Corvette. An iconic American sports car that's considered to be a pure representation of the muscle car spirit. The C5 Corvette was powered by a 5.7-liter LS1 V8, a literal game changer at its time. This engine produced around 350 horsepower initially, with a 0 to 60 time in 4.5 seconds. The C5 Corvette offered acceleration that could match or even outpace the European sports cars of its era. Its secret weapon is the combination of raw power, relatively low weight, and refined handling. The car featured a hydroform box frame, a design that improved structural rigidity, reducing body flex and providing a more connected and responsive driving experience. And honestly, I feel like the sleek and aerodynamic design still makes it stand out today. And seriously, how can you resist those pop-up headlights? Personally, I like the fixed roof coupe cars or FRC, but I think they look solid in all flavors. So pick up an American icon and enjoy some top-down motoring for under 10. And real quick, time for an honorable mention, baby. Dodge SRT4. This unassuming little neon packs a big punch under the hood. Equipped with the turbocharged 2.4-liter 4 from the factory, this little pocket rocket could run to 60 in just 5.3 seconds. But with a turbo, it can only mean one thing. Toss on some Hotline bling and turn it into a super sleeper. When introduced, it was one of the most powerful front-wheel drive cars at its time. It actually won the 2005 SCCA Touring Championship, proving it can handle corners at speed. And the thing is that I love most about this little SRT is how aggressive it looks, especially for starting out as this little compact econobox. These are investment quality cars now, so drive one and make money for $9,500. Cadillac CTS-V. This BMW M Fighter is a high-performance sedan that doesn't just catch the eye, it's a true muscle car at heart. Under the hood, the CTS-V houses a potent 5.7-liter LS6 V8 engine, which was derived from the Chevrolet Corvette. And that power plant puts out an impressive 400 horsepower and 395 foot-pounds of torque, and it's paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. It really does provide the driver with a thrilling connection to the road. And the 0 to 60 time is a swift 4.6 seconds, making the CTS-V a strong competitor even today. Beyond the numbers, the car's well-tuned suspension and robust chassis contribute to a responsive and dynamic driving experience, and it strikes the perfect balance of performance and practicality. The styling is aggressive yet sophisticated, because it's a Cadillac, and the interior offers a degree of luxury that complements its performance-oriented nature. Look into getting one for around $10K and enjoy that bad boy caddy opulence. So, which one's your ideal pick, or did we miss one? Let us know below. Also, please like, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and check out this Ideal vid up here, or whatever YouTube recommends you watch next. I'm Brad, this is Ideal, and promise me one thing, keep living the ideal lifestyle.